Hi Elise, in this video I'll show you how to graph these. I'm going to do 5 and 6. So here it says describe how the given function can be obtained from one of the basic graphs, then graph the function. So in this case, our parent function is what I call it, or a basic function, is y equals x cubed, or f of x equals x cubed. Now the minus out front here is going to cause a reflection through the x-axis. And this minus 1 here is going to cause a horizontal shift because the minus 1 is inside with the x. It's part of what's being cubed. It causes a horizontal shift. And horizontal shifts work backwards. Now I would think I would go left 1 with the graph, but I actually go right 1. All right, so we need to find the one where we're going to shift right 1. And we're going to reflect across the x-axis. So that's the second one here. And the function is x cubed. I'm just going to put in x. I'll hit the caret symbol, which is on the 6. So I got to hit shift 6. And we'll put in the 3. And let's go ahead and check our answer. And so far, so good. So now we have to do the graph. Let's go ahead and click here. Now, from what I could see, you were putting in the graph of the basic function. So in this case, that would be y equals x cubed. It's going to be this template here. And let's see how this is going to work. Now remember, this was, first of all, it's going to open down, and it's going to be shifted 1 to the right. So the vertex would be here. Okay, I see what it's going. It's actually, what it's doing here is it's putting on the graph y equals x cubed. So now this little box is what we're going to have to do things with here. So in this case here, we have a reflection over the x-axis. I always do my reflection first. So notice it's been reflected. And then horizontally, remember we're shifting 1 to the right. And so here we want to go to the right 1. And so that's what our graph looks like. And so we can click out of here and save and hit check answer. All right, so that's how that works. You might want to try one now and see if you've got it. And I think sometimes they do these a couple of ways, so if there's any others that are done differently and you're not able to figure it out, let me know. So here on question 6, you can see that we're going to have, first of all, the function, the basic function is f of x equals x squared. It's the squaring function. But then this plus 4, because it's inside with the x, it's part of what's being squared. It's going to cause a horizontal shift. Again, these are the ones that are going to go the opposite of what we might expect. So here we're going left 4. And the minus 3 out here is going to cause a vertical shift. And in this case, it'll be down 3. So we're going to start with the graph of f of x equals x squared. So x, shift 6. And we'll put in our exponent of 2. Oh, and here it tells, so we're going to shift 4 units left, and then shift it 3 units down. So this one's a little bit different than our last one. So let's check our answer. And now we'll have to do the graph. All right, so again, it's going to work like the last one. Now this time we're using a parabola because the parent function is x squared. And the vertex for a parabola is normally at 0, 0. And so now here's where we're going to make our adjustments. We said we were going, let's see, 4 to the left. So that's a horizontal shift of -4. And a vertical shift of -3. So actually, I guess we just click on the -3 here. So notice it started here, it went left 4 and down 3. All right, so that's our graph. We'll go ahead and save it, check our answer, and we're done. All right, so I hope that helps. If there's another problem that you want to look at, let me know. But I think that should help you with the graphing part. All right, we'll stop right there.